Harold Farrington. In Part 1, we were introduced to the charming Hotel Lotus, a special and hidden place in the heart of Broadway. In Part 2, the elegant and mysterious Madame Beaumont arrives at the hotel, quickly charming everyone with her grace and warm nature. Every evening, she dazzles in a stunning gown that captivates everyone's attention. Now, with the arrival of Harold Farrington, a new guest, things are about to get interesting. What will happen next? Let's begin by reading the original text together. For now, just focus on the main idea of the text. If you come across any unfamiliar words, that's perfectly fine. We'll clarify them together in the next section of the video. On the third day of Madame Beaumont's residence in the hotel, a young man entered and registered himself as a guest.